Hello everyone, this is Samir. Welcome to my channel EasyGate. Now we are going to start a complete lecture series on network theory which is related to the GATE syllabus. Basically network theory is divided into the 5 chapters. In that, first one is a basic concept of network. Second one is a network theorems. Third one is a two-port network. Fourth one is a transient analysis and fifth one is a AC circuit analysis. We will be covering all the topics related to these 5 chapters. So step by step follow my lectures to understand network theory clearly. Now we are going to start a first chapter, that is a basic concept of a network. So to understand the network theory clearly, you should be thorough with the basic concept of networks. In that, you should know about node, branch, mesh and loop. So now come to the definition of the branch. Each element is known as a branch. Resistor is an element, capacitor is an element, inductor is an element, current source and voltage source also an element. So this can be considered as a branch, this can be considered as a branch, this can be considered as a branch, this is a branch, this is a branch. Now let us take an example to understand node, branch, mesh and loop. I have taken a network. In this network, how many branches you can observe? To know the number of branches in this network, we have to know number of elements in this network. Number of elements in this network are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of elements in this network are 8. So number of branches in this network are 8. Number of branches is equal to B is equal to, branches are denoted with B. So B is equal to 8. This is about the branches. Now come to the definition of the node. Junction of branches is known as node. Junction of branches is known as node. Nodes are two types: simple node, principal node. Junction of two branches is nothing but a simple node. Junction of more than two branches is nothing but a principal node. Now look at the same example. VA is a junction of these two branches, so it is a simple node. VB is a junction of these three branches, so this is a principal node. Similarly, you can observe VC also a junction of these four branches. These four branches, so this is a principal node. VE is a junction of these two branches, so this is a simple node. Similarly, ground is also considered as a principal node because it is a junction of these 5 branches. Now count how many simple nodes are in this network and how many principal nodes are in this network. VA and VE are the simple nodes in this network and VB, VC, VD are the principal nodes in this network. So the total number of nodes is n is equal to 5. That means the sum of the simple nodes plus principal nodes. Now come to the definition of loop. Loop means it is a closed path formed by the some electrical elements. Loops are two types: independent loop, dependent loop. Independent loop is also called as a mesh. So the loop which is not the part or inside of any other loop is called as a mesh or independent loop. Otherwise it is called as a simple loop. So look at the same example. In this example, you can see this red pen indicated is loop is not depending on any other loop. So this can be defined as a mesh. This is a mesh and this is also a mesh. This is also a mesh. This is also a mesh. But this black pen indicated loop is depending on these two loops. So this is a simple loop or dependent loop. These loops are not depending on any other loop. So these loops are independent loop, or we can call these loops as meshes. So how many meshes are in this network? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 meshes are in this network. We are also having a mathematical formula to find out the number of meshes in network. Now look at that formula. Now look at the formula. Number of meshes L is equal to B minus N plus 1. B means number of branches minus number of nodes plus 1. So in the above example, you can observe number of meshes L is equal to 8 branches minus 5 nodes plus 1. So number of meshes is equal to 4. At principal node, we will apply nodal analysis. In independent loop, that means in meshes, we will apply mesh analysis. In next lecture, we will be discussing about types of network elements. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.